how to change font size in Facebook. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily change the font size in your Facebook. So let me just show you my current font size in my Facebook. As you can see, it's like this. So let me just change it by heading over to settings first. So once you are inside here, simply head over to accessibility option. You can see it here. And once you're inside here, scroll all the way until you find the power app setting. Simply click on it and make sure you add the Facebook application by clicking over add app and searching for Facebook like this. And as you can see, I've already added, so no need to add. So once you add, simply click on the Facebook itself and you will see the font size option from over here. As you can see, larger text is on. And once you're inside here, simply make sure or adjust accordingly, just like this. And let me just show you by going back to my Facebook. As you can see, the font size has been increased. So that is how you change your font size in Facebook. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.